Hi makers. So following on from Lena's video here on how to embed video on the new platform, we've also been given the tip that to avoid other videos from YouTube automatically showing after you've actually viewed that video, you can add some simple code to your embed code. Now this is the code here that you need to add. Now, I'm going to show you really quickly how and where to enter this code when it all actually looks like gobbledygook. So what will happen is when you follow Lena's tips and you'll paste the code, your video will show up here or wherever you've got it in the system. So this is where there'll usually be this little section to the side where when you can see I'm hovering, it says edit HTML. You can click on that and it will then bring up the code that was actually shared and then pasted into here. Now, where you want to add this code to avoid this video showing up afterwards is right here. So it's directly after the embed and then the code, and just before those parentheses are there. So what you want to do, no spaces or any dashes, exactly as that is. So let's go with question mark REL equals 0. And then all you need to do then is just exit straight out and you're actually done. It's pretty easy.